Today we're learning how to be proud. In Master Azerbaijani word of today, you have FƏXR ETMƏK. FəXR is just one syllable. ETMƏK. FəXR ETMЭK is to be proud of something naturally or to take pride. Let's see some phrases and then sentences. Phrases first. Watch this. Ailə ilə fəxr etmək, ailəsi ilə fəxr etmək. Remember in the beginning there was in the parenthesis of. So in this case, to be proud of family is just one's family, any family. Ailəsi, if you want to designate with whose family, ailəsi, you can say onun ailəsilə, to be proud of his family, her family. That's when you use si. Same goes. İşi ilə fəxr etmək, when someone is proud of with their work or with any work, to take pride in work. İş ilə fəxr etmək. Okay? Let's use those in some sentences. Uşaqlarının məsuliyyətli və mehriban böyüməsini gördükcə, o, ailəsi ilə fəxr etmək üçün saysız səbəblər tapdığını deyirdi. See, ailəsi ilə. Let's see the translation and then we'll break it down. As she saw her children grow up responsible and kind, she said she found countless reasons to be proud of her family. Now, did you get the part why we showed belonging with si? Ailəsi. Okay, let's see. Remember, in this case, o can be he, she, or it. I chose she for this time. Now, uşaqlarının, her children. Uşaq, child. Uşaqlar, children. Uşaqları, her children. Uşaqlarının, basically of her children. Growth. That's what the last suffix is. Məsuliyyətli, responsible. Və and mehriban, kind. Böyüməsini, that's the seeing grown up, basically. Because böyüməsini gördükcə, as she saw growing up. That's the technical translation of that portion. O, we know that, she. Ailəsi ilə fəxr etmək üçün, to be proud of her family. Saysız səbəblər tapdığını deyirdi. She said she found countless reasons. Səbəb, reason, səbəblər, reasons. Saysız, countless. Say is a count, saysız, countless. All right? Next sentence. Komandamız. Did you notice? You write komandamız, but you say komandamız. That's because it's a loan word. Let's continue reading. Komandamız çətin layihəni vaxtında başa çatdıranda hər kəs gördüyü peşəkar işlə fəxr etmək haqqını qazandı. Let's see. When our team finished a difficult project on time, everyone earned the right to take pride in the professional work they had done. Komandamız, it's a loan word from Russian, team. Komanda, team, komandamız, our team. Çətin layihəni vaxtında başa çatdıranda, when finished the difficult project on time, hər kəs, everyone, haqqını qazandı, earned the right. Haqq, the right, qazanmaq, to earn. Past tense, haqqını qazandı. Gördüyü peşəkar işlə. With what? And the professional work they had done. Fəxr etmək, of course, take pride in here. Komandamız çətin layihəni vaxtında başa çatdıranda hər kəs gördüyü peşəkar işlə fəxr etmək haqqını qazandı. That was our word for today, FƏXR ETMƏK. Let's see how can I use it elsewhere, elsewise. I'll FəXR ETMÄK when my to-do list stops multiplying. That's for sure. I'll see you tomorrow for the new word. Otherwise, feel free to check out masterazerbaijani.com and Master Azerbaijani app if you want to learn more until then. I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.